In this video, we're going to focus on the pan threshold options in the Chart.js plugin for Zoom. So with this option, you are able to set when would you like to zoom in, or not even, when would you like to pan, or when would you like the pan effect to be starting. So what we're going to do here is right now, so for example here, we are always able to pan, and what we would like to do, for example, is maybe we want to have a certain threshold for that. Sadly enough, I'm not able to figure out exactly what is the dependency. It indicates here number 10, and looking at it, I'm not able to decipher at this particular moment when this works. Basically, it says here the minimum pan distance required before actually applying pan. So let's put in a threshold and just let me show you. For example, here by default it's set on 10. So let's make this 100. I'm going to hide this effect here and save that. And go back here and refresh, and then if we would be able to go up and down, there you are. So the moment we put this up, let's say we put this 300, we save this, refresh, and now you can see it doesn't, well, it does allow somehow panning, but not really 100%. As you can see here, it blocks basically the panning, but somehow it was just suddenly working. I'm not able to understand what happened, but basically it should not allow you to pan. There's a threshold of 300. However, I'm not able to figure out where this number is from, and I'll be searching for that more, because I thought first it was related to our scales. So for example, if I do 400 here, we have now 400, and then if we would start to move up and down or left and right, it should work. However, it doesn't work as well, or here maybe if I click on this, it does something here. However, it doesn't work, or I can't say or explain what it is. I'll be definitely searching into this and eventually get back to get a more detailed item. However, default settings, it's set on 10, which is probably quite common one, because the reason why you want to apply threshold is to zoom in and to go move left and right. And I think there should be no reason to adjust this. And if you do want to block the panning option, you can do that by putting a very high number. But probably if you would block the panning option, you might wonder why would you be using the zoom plugin in itself unless you only want to zoom in specific values for some reason. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you enjoy this video, you probably will enjoy this one as well. And if you're interested in Chart.js, check out in the description box the link directing to my Chart.js course, where you can learn everything about Chart.js. And finally, of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel.